Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share that you are hiring on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the pause button down below, which is the last option, the third option. Actually, then scroll down in this section down below and tap on share that you're hiring. Then you should add the job details such as the title, then the company name, the workplace type such as on-site, hybrid or remote. Then the job location should be indicated as well, the job type, description, requirements, skills, and if you are done with it, tap on the button next in the upper right corner. Here you can find this preset text, I'm hiring, know anyone who might be interested, and there is the job description. So if you are done with adding your own text, comments and hashtags, tap on the pause button in the upper right corner, thereby uploading this post. Here you can find it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.